One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about Lyft a little bit. They're launching shared rides at the airport.
Wow.
So, hey,
Okay,
one of the things that I wanted to know is why, David Risher, are you enshittifying your product more? You wanted to get rid of the enshittification, but you're making it more.
Yeah, it's okay. So I have clarification from Lyft on this one. Let me read it. So it's like,
okay.
So I don't say the wrong thing because I don't want anybody on my case. Hold on a second.
Okay, I'll say the wrong thing.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. I'm just saying that. Let me get it, and so I want to do this the correct way. So there was tweets. So I was like, what? In fact, he's probably here. Lelius, right? This is his screenshot. And he goes, Serge. And Buddha, right? So I'm going like, they all like emailing me like, did you get it? I'm like, no, I looked at my app. I didn't get it.
Nice.
So I can see from the around the corner here. It's where it's on the right-hand screenshot where it says not available, shared airport rides. Well, that's goddamn Burbank Airport. I can see the ANK at the end of it, which is like 10 miles, 12, 15 miles from my house. So hold on. Let me get this correct. So it's like, all right. So so Uber is testing, not Uber, Jesus. Lyft is testing, piloting, that's their word, piloting shared rides, pickups at airports. Okie dokie. This was in Lelius's app, but Buddha said the same thing. I don't have it. So we're all in LA, but they have it and I don't have it. So that means they're even piloting not only, between different driver sets as well. But I do have shared rides unchecked on my, because, okay, there's only one place that you can do shared rides in LA, which is USC. And so Lyft got rid of shared rides during the COVID and they kept it off, unlike Uber where they brought back pool or shared rides, right? So I got the email. So here's the deal. If you are in those cities, you are going to, and if you're the selected driver group, you're going to have ORD. ORD is Chicago O'Hare, Boston, Logan, Las Vegas, LAX, San Francisco International, Denver International, Austin, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Those 8 is not being rolled out nationwide, but those 8 are being piloted. So then I went back and I said, yeah, but this thing, it says Burbank Airport. Doesn't say LAX, it says Burbank Airport. So, and then I got a response saying, I'm just going with what they said. So I don't want any problems. Here, this is what they said. They said, we are rolling it out at LAX only, but since drivers can go between LAX and Burbank Airport, then we are letting anyone in the region to opt out. I don't know what that means. Do you know what that means? I didn't opt out. I didn't opt out on anything. There's nothing. So I
don't know.
I don't know what that means. But anyway, so it's being tested. If you're in those 8 airports, those are major airports. Those are not, right? LAX, O'Hare, and SFO, and Austin, and so what do you think about this? Do you think this is a good thing or a bad thing? You're not gonna say anything?
I don't think it's really, I don't think a lot of people are going to do it because most of the people that are single flyers are usually business for a lot, and they're probably not going to do shared, whether they're heading back home or whether they're flying out. I mean, going to a hotel or something. I don't know. I don't really think it's going to be used as much as they think it would be. Well, I think this would be more used better in college areas.
Yeah. Well, USC has a deal with Lyft. So USC students, because they pay $2,500 a unit to go to USC, I think they get free Lyft trips. They have it. It used to be Uber, then USC switched to Lyft. So that I know exists. But airports, well, Matt, I think he's here from Boston, the search sniper of Boston, had had a good tweet about this. He said, now, so instead of having two people going in the same direction can get in the car on a shared trip going out of LAX, let's say, right? Well, instead of having two separate requests, now there's going to be two in one car. So this is going to reduce the amount of requests, right? And I don't know the pay structure. I don't know anything about it yet, but they admitted that they're testing or piloting it. So if you're in one of those cities, shoot me an email if you do one of these and tell me about your experience. I won't do it, but I didn't even get it in my app. So I this is news to me.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, chat, what would you do? Would you take shared airport rides? Yes, no. And do you think that shared airport rides is actually something that would be big?
People are allergic to shared trips as it is. I don't think they're not going to do it in the city. I don't think they're going to do it at the airports.
Yeah, I honestly, I don't see this being a very catchy thing. Like I said, if you want to use shared rides, probably the best is going to be at colleges. Like you could go to all the colleges around because they're all trying to save a little bit of money here and there. And drivers want to make a little bit of money here and there. And, you know, if everything's priced right, well, you know, maybe it's not as bad. But who knows? I mean, like, I don't know. I think that's the only thing that would make it right.
There's the sniper of Boston right there. Do whatever he says. That's it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.